also has a greenhorn on board, a guy he never met until they set out to sea.
My girlfriend Anna found the new greenhorn, Matt, and I'm a little skeptical about Anna finding me a crew member. We'll see how he does.
Last night, the Big Eye laid out 30 miles of floating mainline with 1,000 baited hooks attached. A grouper turn would be around 30 swordfish. Swordfish can grow to 14 feet and weigh up to 1,400 pounds. Their distinctive sword-like bill helps them cut through the water at speeds of 50 miles an hour. The bill is also used to slash and stun its prey.
Fishy, 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 fishy.
Their speed and strength make these fish fierce fighters when caught.
Nothing.
I'm not going to give up until the last speed bite is level.
What we got back there? Oh, he's just a bait. I'll grab him with one hand.
It's not profitable for me to bring in small swordfish to sell.
We haul 500 hooks for one fish. Not good for morale. We need to at least get 1,000 pounds a day to keep our